Hi guys, kamusta kayo? Subject-verb agreement muna ulit tayo. Neither the senator nor the contractors blank been open about where the money went. Has or have. Sa sentence na to, meron tayong dalawang subjects. Yung senator, which is singular, at yung contractors, which is plural. Now, alin ang pagbabasihan natin para malaman kung has or have ba yung gagamitin? Kung natatandaan nyo pa, yung proximity rule na pinag-uusapan natin, kung alin yung mas malapit na subject doon sa ating verb. Yun ang pagbabasihan natin ng verb agreement. Ginagamit natin tong proximity rule na to dahil meron tayo ditong neither nor. Again, kung meron tayong correlative conjunctions like neither nor or either or man yan, ang mag-a-apply na rule ay itong proximity rule. Again, kung alin ang mas malapit. In this case, mas malapit ang contractors, which is plural. So, kailangan ang verb agreement plural din. So, have ang tamang sagot. Neither the senator nor the contractors have been open about where the money went.